Scared, I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down. And yeah, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'd come around. And then start to feel someone inside me. In your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. I chose that line of the song because I believe that you are soon to be ready to fall in love again. And I'm hoping that one day, soon, you'll find your true love and you deserve the love in the world. Happy birthday, Sisi Palengin. I wish you all the best and all the love in the world.
I would like to greet my friend sa YouTube na si Balon. Ayan, si Medsiwan. So, sa'yo ang inuman, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo ako. Ano nga ba nakilala si Balon? Sa YT. So, yun nga, kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit nagtatawagan kami ng Balon. So, kayo na lang mag-isip kung anong ibig sabihin ng Balon. At si Balon na lang mag-explain. Balon, happy birthday and God bless. More birthdays to come. So hanggang dito na lamang, Balon. Mwah.
Looks like a girl, but she's a flame. So bright she can burn your eyes. Better like the other way. That you can try, but you'll never forget her name. She's on top of the world. The hottest of the hottest girls say, oh, we got our feet on the ground and we're burning it down. Oh, got our feet on the clouds and we're not coming down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. Baby ko kahit di ko carry yung song, very perfect para sa iyo yung lyrics. Ayan, napaka-sexy, napaka-gorgeous, and very talented. Mama, mapa-dancing man, singing. Ay, sana all na lang tayo, baby ko. Yun lang yung aking message. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. And I love you, baby ko. I'm here always.
Tonight's the night we'll make history. Honey, you and I. I'd like to greet you a happy birthday, Palangga Meds. Thank you so much for being always support. Thank you so much, and happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your special day. This greeting is advance na. Stay positive and grind araw-araw, and huwag pabayaan ang sarili. Always be hydrated kasi summer na ngayon, and ayan nga, keep it up, more achievement and more success. Again, happy birthday. Thank you, love. Ingat ka dyan palagi.
Happy birthday to you, Medsiwan. Happy birthday to you, Medsiwan. Ayan. Happy birthday, Meds, bebe. Ayan, Sisla loves. And today is your special day, so I want to wish you more blessings to come and good health. Ayan. Pagpatuloy mo lang magandang gawain at ang ating pumay kapal ay dibiyaan ka ng bonggang-bongga. Ganun. Ayan. And I salute you being talented. Ayan. Ganda ng boses, marunong pang sumayaw, sexy, beauty, ano pang hanapin. O, diba? Nasa iyo ng lahat. Full package ba? Ganon. Ayan. Sis, natutuwa ako at nakilala kita sa YT World. Keep the good work. And ganon, happy birthday. Mwah! Chup-chup. Happy birthday to you. Sa iyo ang inumin, sa iyo ang pulutan. Ayan. God bless. Happy birthday.
ito nga pala yung kantang iaano ko sa'yo. How can I convince you what you see is real? Who am I to blame you for doubting what you feel? Binabati nga pala kita ng happy birthday sa'yo, Medsi Juan, aking Brad sa YT.
Ito yung kanta na gusto ko para sa'yo. Hindi. Ayan, di ba ang ganda? Happy birthday, Baby Meds! Ngayon ang iyong kaarawan, naway ligtas ka palagi sa anumang kapahamakan, ilayo ka ng ating Panginoon sa anumang karamdaman at anumang sakuna. Naway ingatan ka palagi ng Panginoon natin. Happy birthday! I love you, Belle!
This song is dedicated for you, Med. This girl has turned into a woman, and I dream of this moment all my life. This girl has turned into a woman, and I thank you for your tenderness last night. Hello, Ned. Wish ko sa'yo maraming dumating na birthday sa buhay mo. Lagi kang malusog. At saka sana huwag kang magbago. Mahal na mahal ka lang. Happy birthday. We love you.
Girl, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. Happy birthday, Sisi ko, I love you. Remember for so long, you are the friend of mine. Hi Med, sa 26 years natin na pagkakaibigan, alam mo naman sobrang love kita kahit hindi tayo gaano nagkikita. Anyway, hope to see you soon and happy birthday. Love you, Tart.
I'll be there for you. These flowers are sweaty. When you breathe, I wanna be there for you. I'll be there for you. I live and I die for you. I took the sun from the sky for you. Words can't say what a love can do. I'll be there for you. Love you.
Hello, Ate Meds. Happy birthday. I love you. Stay awesome, stay beautiful, and enjoy your day today. Love you.
In your arms, I found a strength inside me, and in your eyes, there's a light to guide me. I would be lost without you, and all that my heart could ever want has come true. So you could give me wings to fly and catch me if I fall, or pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all, but I couldn't ask for more, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all.
Hi Sisi! Ayan, yun yung song na tingin ko mag-fit sa'yo para sa akin, dahil para sa akin ay isa kang regalo, isa kang pagmamahal, at ang iyong pagmamahal ang regalo sa amin ng mga taong naniniwala sa'yo, sumusuporta sa'yo, nagmamahal sa'yo, kasama doon ang inyong mga kaibigan dito man sa labas at sa loob ng YT, pamilya, estudyante, lalo na sa iyong mga anak. Ayan. Happy birthday, Sisi, and I wish you all the best. More power, more blessings, more experiences, good experiences in life. Ayan, good memories, madami yan. And of course, more opportunities to come para sa iyo at para sa iyong pamilya. I wish you all the luck, Sisi, and hindi man palaging nakatambay sa'yo, but still nandito lang ako lagi-lagi. Nangyayari kasi talaga ang mga pawala-wala natin dahil sa ating mga priority sa buhay, dahil pareho tayong single mom, alam mo yan. Ayan, but still, nandito lang ako, Sisi, para sa'yo palagi, anytime, PM ka lang. God bless you, and more blessings para sa'yo. Thank you so much for choosing me na mag-greet sa'yo. It's an honor and my pleasure. Maraming salamat, Sisi. Happy birthday! God bless you, Sisi ko. Ayan, maraming food pa dyan. Pa-Sharon ka na, charot.
Ate, this is for you. You just call up my name, and you know wherever I am, I come running to see you again. Ayan, happy birthday, Ate Meds. Birthday mo na naman, ang bilis ng panahon, ano? Wish ko, naway maging mapayapa, maging masaya yung araw ng birthday mo. Lagi kong pinagpapasalamat kay Lord yung buhay mo, kasi nakatagpo ako ng isang Ate Meds sa mundo ng YT. Napaka-supportive, kahit na hindi na ako masyadong active sa YouTube, nandun ka pa rin. Minsan nga magugulat na lang ako, dami kong notification, kasi nandun yung mga friends natin sumusuporta sa pamamagitan mo. So thank you. Alam mo naman na nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Anytime, always. Alam mo yun. Just one chat and call away. Nandito lang ako if you need someone to talk to. Lagi kong nilolook forward na makabanding tayo soon. Kasi parang alam mo, ang sarap ng feeling na makabanding isang midsehoan. Kaya nilolook forward ko yun, ate. Hopefully soon. Yun, happy birthday. Stay healthy. Yun ang importante. Maging healthy, happy, and stay pretty. Alam mo yan. I love you, miss you, and happy birthday ulit, ate. God bless. See you soon.
Hello, Ate Meds. Kamusta? I'm here today because it's your birthday, and I want to say I wish you the best. Happy birthday.